You know how we used to pay $1.89 for those cakes? Betty Crocker microwavable cakes. Then you take a black plastic container and you open it and you put in water and you microwave it. I remembered that around my birthday, and I bought this little cheap, I'll show you, this little cheap Loretta, I think this was like Dollar Tree 89-cent cake for my birthday. And all I did was I mixed it with some buttermilk and an egg and a little water, and I put a pat of butter in the my Band-Aid. Put a pat of butter in the bottom, and I put in some of my mulberry preserves and some pineapple. A spoonful of pineapple tidbits. Let's see how it came out. Oh yeah. Yeah, nice microwavable cake. All done. Three minutes in the microwave.